So one of the ways that we're achieving efficiencies outside of AI, one of them is sort of a new material model that we've been using. This material model we can use for both real-time 3D as well as our virtual photographer applications, as well as augmented reality. And this has been very valuable. In the previous iteration of our material models, we had different ones for the high quality VP, that's virtual photographer, the still images, then the interactive 3D and the AR. And so that actually led to like additional work if you wanted to be real time as well as have the high quality virtual photography imagery. So we now have a unified material model that sort of works in both. And that's great. So massive cost savings, very good efficiency. And so we're seeing many of our recent customers adopt that, and some of our legacy customers are looking to move towards that. That's been a great success. Another thing that we're exploring right now is more native CAD configuration. We have a number of, one segment in our market is engineered to order. And with those, they need very accurate engineering diagrams created. They need maybe CAD models created as part of that order workflow. So we're looking on how to do that in a more optimal fashion than we have in the past. So that's a very interesting area that I think there's a lot of potential for expansion. Another area that we've been focusing on, and this I would say is probably one of the biggest innovations of the past year, is a composable front end. What this means is we've had a legacy player that has worked really well, but it combined all of the functionality of our platform into sort of one big component. While if you're using all of our functionality, that's been a great solution, but if you only needed parts of that functionality, it's a lot to load. And also it's harder to understand because it sort of combines everything in one big package. What we've done now is we've started to break apart that monolithic player into a series of composable components that we can now, our clients and our implementation partners can pick and choose which one they want to use. It's small, it's efficient, and easy to understand. So it's more like a bunch of Lego blocks, and you can pick which ones you want, a lot, a few, very easy to understand, and all works together. And that's sort of pushing ourselves to the next level of efficiency in terms of speed of implementation, speed of loading. Also, it allows us to iterate really quickly because when we add a new component, it's not tied with every other component, so it's very easy for us to move quicker. So this is a really big innovation that is really coming to the forefront here.